So I'm in California, which means that we can't really go anywhere. But about a week and a half ago, I went grocery shopping with my brother before this all got really crazy and serious. And we mixed up our groceries a little bit, and I ended up with his Trader Joe's multi-purpose umami seasoning blend. And luckily for him, we actually live very close to each other, about 3 blocks, I think. So what I'm gonna do today is deliver it by drone. So don't worry, I washed my hands before I touched the umami seasoning, then I cleansed it, then I washed my hands again. I also washed the drone. So what I'm gonna do is make sure I take the streets, so in case this thing were to fall off, even though it feels pretty secure, if it were to fall off, it would land in the street, it wouldn't land on someone's house. And yeah, let's have fun. Let's see if the DJI Mavic Air can handle this. So right now I'm coordinating with my brother, waiting for the text to say that he's ready to receive it 4 blocks away.
Sup, I'm just waiting for a delivery. Some spices. Let's see.
Oh my gosh! Can you look at it?
I can't even see it. There it is. A little dot.
This is hilarious.
I just got a notification that my Amazon order of 1 Trader Joe's Umami Seasoning is out for delivery. Okay.
All right, I think I have 1 more block.
The guy said he'd be here soon. Kind of nervous. I brought my hand sanitizer.
Strong wireless interference. I'm gonna need to walk closer. I had to walk a little closer.
Alright, I hear it coming back. It's got something attached to it. I don't know what that is, but maybe we'll find out.
So I didn't fully anticipate how much motor speed it would use, and also how the signal would cut out when I got low. All right, so full disclosure, I did end up having to run closer. I wasn't able to do just a straight deliver from my house to his house, but I still kept pretty good distance, definitely a safe distance, but I didn't do exactly what I wanted to do because it was losing signal and then it was doing a return to home and got a little bit stressful there for a second. But now we have brownies and my brother has his umami seasoning and it worked. It uses a lot more motor speed. So the battery ran out way faster than I expected. I should have thought of that because it has a heavy object that it's carrying, but it totally worked and I think it's pretty awesome. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you appreciated it or found it fun. And yeah, Amazon, if you need someone to do your drone deliveries in the future, I'm sure with a little bit more experience and some better equipment, I can definitely achieve that. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Quarantine brownies.